This time we will focus on project monitoring and control. Monitoring and control techniques. We maintain a schedule. Most projects tune into some problems or delays. Anticipate problems, avoid them, minimize their impact, and identify potential solutions. Select the best way to solve the problems. And next, project status meetings. Schedule regular meetings to update the teams and discuss project status issues, problems, and opportunities. Reports can be verbal, but usually written. Gantt charts are often included to show project status graphically. And handling potential problem can be difficult. An overly cautious project manager who alter management to every potential snack, and the slight delay will lose credibility over a period of time. And management might ignore potentially serious situations. A project manager who tries to handle all situations single-handedly and does not alert management until a problem is serious leaves little time to react or devise a solution. I will introduce some project management software. First, Microsoft Project is a full-featured program that holds the dominant share of the market. MS Project include Gantt chart, network diagram, and calendar view. Gantt chart, as you enter the tasks, the program automatically performs the calculations, detects the task patterns, and creates a Gantt chart. Network diagram view is similar to a pot chart. Calendar view is similar to pot chart as an overlay on a calendar. Gantt project is a free open source program. Next slide this slide is about risk management. Step in risk management. First step, develop a risk management plan. We are reviews of project scope, stakeholders, budget, schedule, and any other internal or external factors that might affect the project. It defines project roles and responsibilities, risk management methods and procedures, categories of risks, and contingency plan. Identify the risks. List each risk and assesses the likelihood that it could affect the project. Second step is analyze the risks. This is typically two-step process. Qualitative risk analysis evaluates each risk by estimating the probability that it will occur and degree of impact. Qualitative risk analysis is to understand the actual impact in terms of dollars, times, project scope, or quality. This picture included in the slide summarized and shown above. Low is risk impact. Column is risk probabilities. Also, I will introduce risk management software. Assigns specific date as constraints. Aligns task dependency. Notes external factors that might affect a task. Tracks progress. Displays tasks that are behind the schedule. Links risks with specific tasks and projects. Specifies probability and impact. Assigns ownership. Tracks progress to manage project more efficiently. Most of all risk management software include follow. Next slide. This slide is about managing for success. First issue is business is every system is to provide a solution to a business problem or opportunity. If a system does not do this, it is a failure. Second issues is budget issues. Unrealistic estimates that too optimistic or based on incomplete information. Failure to develop an accurate forecast that consider all costs over the life of the project. Poor monitoring of progress and slow response to early warning signs of problems. Schedule delays due to factors that were not foreseen. Human resource issues, including turnover, inadequate training and motivation. The third issue is schedule issues. Problems with timetables and project milestones can be indicate failure to recognize task dependencies, confusion between effort and progress, poor monitoring and team members or turnover of project personnel. The failure of an IT project also can be caused by poor project management techniques. Finally, we are conclusion of this. Project managers must be alert, technically competent, and highly resourceful. Also, project managers must be good communicators with strong human resources skills. When problems occur, the project manager's ability to handle the situation becomes the critical factors. Now, we summarize definition of software engineering. Systematic approach to software development, operation, maintenance, and destructions. Developing quality software on a planned schedule with a minimal cost. This picture include in the slide in shown hierarchy of software engineering. This figure has four components. First is tool, methodology, progress, quality. First, a tool is automated various methods used in the program development process. Case is a representative tool supporting all stages of software development. And methodology provide a way to build software. Typically, three types is divide of methodology: process-oriented methodology, data-driven methodology, and object-oriented methodology. Progress-oriented methodology is focus on how to develop programs by emphasizing the conversion process and process of data. But data-driven methodology is focused on how to identify data to use when developing a program, analyze the relationship between data, and then define a data structure and devise a process structure based on this. A query-driven programming based on database. Third methodology types is object-oriented methodology. This is focused on how to make the process more modular. Information concealment and code reuse more efficient by encapsulating object. Methodology that evolved by combining the advantages of process-oriented and data-driven methodologies. Next, process or procedure layers. This layer include the job name or task names, contents, results, procedures, instructions required for software development, along with the ancestral relationship between the jobs. It is divided into 4 areas: software specification, software development, software verification, finally software evaluations. Last layer is quality level. The criteria for evaluating software quality are as follows. First, accuracy, maintainability, integrity, usability. So project management is the progress of planning, scheduling, monitoring, and reporting on the development of information system. A successful project must be completed on time, within budget, and deliver a quality product that satisfies users and meets requirements. Project triangle shows 3 racks: cost, scope, time. A project manager must find the best balance along these elements because a change in any rack of the triangle will affect the other 2 racks.